Chandrayaan-3 comprises three main components. Propulsion module. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration till 100 km lunar orbit. It is a box-like structure with one large solar panel mounted on one side and a large cylinder on top. The intermodular adapter cone that acts as a mounting structure for the lander. In addition to the lander, the module carries a payload called spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth shape, to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit in near-infrared, near wavelength range, 1-7 micrometer. Lander. The lander is responsible for the soft landing on the Moon. It is also box-shaped, with 4 landing legs and 4 landing thrusters of 800 newtons each. It will carry the rover and various scientific instruments to perform in-sight analysis. The lander for Chandrayaan-3 will have only 4 throttle-able engines. Unlike Vikram on Chandrayaan-2, which had 5 800 newtons engines, with the fifth one being centrally mounted with a fixed thrust. Additionally, the Chandrayaan-3 lander will be equipped with a laser Doppler velocimeter (LDV). The impact legs are made stronger compared to Chandrayaan-2 and increased instrumentation redundancy. ISRO is working on improving the structural rigidity and adding multiple contingency systems. The lander has 3 payloads. Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, CHAST, will measure the thermal conductivity and temperature of the lunar surface. Udharan Chinh, instrument for lunar seismic activity, ILSA, will measure the seismicity around the landing site. Langmuir probe, LP, will estimate the plasma density and its variations. Rover. Chandrayaan-3 rover overview. 6-wheeled design. Weight of 26 kilograms. 57 pounds. Range of 500 meters. 1,600 feet. Scientific instruments including cameras, spectrometers, and a drill. Expected lifespan of 1 lunar day. 14 Earth days. Communication with the lander and ground control team in India. The rover has 2 payloads. Alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, APXS, will derive the chemical composition and infer mineralogical composition of the lunar surface. Laser-induced breakdown spectroscope, LIBS, will determine the elemental composition, Mg, Ul, C, K, K, T, Fe, of lunar soil and rocks around the lunar landing site. The Chandrayaan-3 rover is expected to make a number of important scientific discoveries, including the composition of the lunar surface, the presence of water ice in the lunar soil, the history of lunar impacts, the evolution of the Moon's atmosphere,